Let's make the best soil mix for your seeds to germinate, and the best part? You only need 3 simple ingredients. No fancy or complicated materials, just what your seeds need to grow strong and healthy. This mix is better than any market-bought seed starting soil and is perfect for home gardeners who want effective and affordable results. We start with 40% garden soil. This is the foundation of your mix. Garden soil is essential because it's natural, contains microorganisms, and has the structure that plants are familiar with. But don't just pick any soil. Make sure it's loamy. Loamy soil is the perfect choice because it holds moisture well without becoming waterlogged, provides good drainage, and allows air to reach the roots. These qualities are crucial for germination because seeds need consistent moisture, oxygen, and a balanced structure to sprout and thrive. Next, we'll add 40% fully decomposed manure or compost. This is where the magic happens. Fully decomposed organic matter is a powerhouse of nutrients and improves the soil structure. Why fully decomposed? Because fresh manure or raw compost can burn your seeds due to high nitrogen content or release harmful gases while breaking down. Fully decomposed compost is safe, gentle, and releases nutrients slowly, ensuring your seeds get what they need at the right time. It also boosts beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which support healthy seed development and protect against diseases. Finally, we need 20% cocoa peat. This lightweight natural material comes from coconut husks and is the secret to maintaining perfect moisture levels in your soil. Seeds require consistent moisture to germinate, and cocoa peat holds water like a sponge while still allowing excess water to drain away. This keeps your seeds from drying out or becoming waterlogged, both of which can harm their growth. Cocoa peat is also pH neutral, so it won't interfere with your soil's natural balance. Now that we have all 3 ingredients, garden soil, compost or manure, and cocoa peat, it's time to mix them thoroughly. Take your time to combine everything evenly, so your soil mix has the perfect balance of nutrients, structure, and moisture holding capacity. Once mixed, fill your seed trays or containers with this soil and plant your seeds right away. Make sure not to pack the soil too tightly. Keep it light and airy to help your seeds breathe and grow. This simple mix does more than just germinate seeds. It creates an ideal environment that mimics nature, with the right balance of moisture, nutrients, and structure. It's cost-effective, easy to make, and avoids the unnecessary additives often found in commercial products. Plus, by using fully decomposed manure or compost, you're recycling organic waste into something incredibly useful. Once your seeds are planted, water them lightly. The cocoa peat will help retain moisture, while the garden soil and compost ensure proper drainage and nutrient supply. Place your seed trays or containers in a warm spot with indirect sunlight, and soon, you'll see your seeds sprouting into healthy seedlings, ready to grow into robust plants. This mix is proof that you don't need fancy products to grow plants. Just these 3 ingredients, garden soil, compost, and cocoa peat, will give your seeds the best start possible. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, this soil mix is a game changer. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed by the results. Now, it's time to start planting. Share this method with fellow gardeners and let them know how easy it is to create the perfect seed starting mix at home. Don't forget to check out more of my gardening tips and tutorials on my channel. Subscribe, like, and share for more amazing ideas.